Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel Labna Scholaris. This video is dedicated to the health benefits of dry fruits. Here are some interesting facts about dry fruits. Nutrient-dense, dry fruits are packed with essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. They provide a concentrated source of energy. Preservation. Drying fruits is one of the oldest preservation methods, allowing fruits to be stored for longer periods without spoiling. High caloric value. Due to their low water content, dry fruits have a higher caloric value compared to fresh fruits. A small portion can provide a significant energy boost. Variety. Common dry fruits include raisins, apricots, dates, figs, prunes, and a variety of nuts like almonds, walnuts, and cashews. Natural sweeteners. Dry fruits, especially dates and raisins, can be used as natural sweeteners in various recipes, reducing the need for added sugars. High fiber content. Dry fruits are a good source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut. Cultural significance. In many cultures, dry fruits are used in traditional dishes and ceremonies. They often symbolize health, prosperity, and good luck. Commercial production. Countries like the USA, Turkey, Iran, and India are major producers of various dry fruits, contributing significantly to global supply. Hydration and usage. Some dry fruits, such as dried apricots and prunes, can be rehydrated by soaking them in water, making them softer and easier to use in cooking and baking. Here are some of the most famous and widely consumed dry fruits. Almonds, known for their rich nutritional profile. Almonds are high in healthy fats, protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They are often eaten as a snack or used in various dishes and desserts. Walnuts. These nuts are recognized for their high omega-3 fatty acid content, which is beneficial for heart health. Walnuts are commonly used in baking, salads, and as a snack. Cashews. With a creamy texture and mildly sweet flavor, cashews are popular in cooking, especially in Asian cuisine, as well as in desserts and snacks. Pistachios. Known for their distinctive green color and rich taste, pistachios are often consumed as a snack or used in desserts like baklava and ice cream. Raisins. These dried grapes are sweet and versatile, used in baking, cooking, and as a healthy snack. They are rich in iron and antioxidants. Dates. Particularly popular in Middle Eastern cuisine, dates are very sweet and often used as a natural sweetener. They are high in fiber and essential minerals.